Previous class we studied the slope. So if theta is the angle or gradient, if theta is the angle or inclination, then the slope of the line is given by m equal to tan theta. So today we are going to discussing about slope of a line joining two points. So if a line passes through the 2 points, if line passes through the 2 points, say P and Q, then to find the slope of this line, so let P x1 y1 Q x2 y2, then to find the slope of this line, so there is a derivation which is important for exam, and so today I am discussing about that point, and I am going to derive the equation, or we are finding the equation for the slope of line joining 2 points. Yes. So already we know the concept of point. So that is, so point 3 comma 4 means 3 comma 4 means, so along x axis this distance is equal to 3 and height this distance is equal to 4. Along x axis 3 units, along y axis 4 units. 5 comma 10 means along x axis 5 units, width is 5 units, height is 10 units. So this is 10 units. So if it is x comma y, then the distance along x axis is x and distance along y axis is y units. So if we consider the point x comma y, so it is understood that along x axis horizontal distance from origin, all distance in coordinate plane, all distances are measured from the origin O. So therefore meaning of this one is, this is x, this width is equal to x, that is OA, OA equal to x, AB equal to y, that is OA equal to x, AB equal to y. If it is 4 comma 5, then OA equal to 4, OB equal to 5. This is 4, this is 5. If it is 10 comma 4, 10 comma 15, then along x axis it is 10 and along y axis it is 15. So 10 comma 15. So therefore x axis always measures the distance along x axis, and ordinate describes the distance, perpendicular distance along y axis. Yes. Now coming to this one, slope of a line joining 2 points, that is, if x1 comma y1, if P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 are the 2 points on the line, are the 2 points on the line, then slope, to find the slope of the line joining P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. So slope of the line joining P x1 y1 Q x2 y2 is given by, so consider the coordinate plane. So this is x axis, this is origin, this is y axis. So consider this is the straight line. So first P x1 y1, P x1 comma y1, Q x2 comma y2 are the 2 points on the straight line. To find the slope of this one, so this line makes an angle theta. So the line makes an angle with positive direction of x axis, that is theta. So to find the slope of this line, already we know that slope m equal to tan theta. Slope m equal to tan theta. That's why. So consider, draw perpendicular line here and join this one. So this is perpendicular. This is also perpendicular line. So this point is, say it is A. This is B. This is C. Observe here. PA and BC are equal. PA and BC are equal. PC and AB are equal. So therefore, this means the point x1 y1 means, so that is this distance is equal to x1 and this is equal to y1. So as I told in the first case, concept of point, horizontal distance is x1, vertical distance is, so that is from vertical length is equal to y1. Similarly in this case, so horizontal distance, this is equal to x2 and this is equal to y2. So along x-axis is x2 units, along y-axis is y2 units. Therefore, slope m equal to tan theta. We know that. So this angle is also equal to theta. Tan theta is given by opposite upon adjacent side. That is opposite divided by adjacent side. This equal to opposite side is here QC or CQ. CQ. Adjacent side is PC. So here PA equal to BC. PA equal to BC and PC equal to AB. PC equal to AB and so PA equal to BC. Therefore, this equal to CQ. So we know this much height and our requirement is only CQ. So therefore, in Y2, if we subtract this equal to this Y1 value, if we subtract Y1 in Y2, we will get, so that is CQ. So therefore, this equal to BQ minus BC. This divided by PC equal to AB. This equal to AB. Therefore, BQ minus BC divided by AB. That is, in OB we have to subtract OA. OB minus OA. OB minus OA. This equal to, observe here, this height is equal to Y2. BC equal to Y1. OB equal to X2. OA equal to X1. So therefore, Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1 gives the slope of this line. So therefore, slope m equal to Y2 minus Y1, that is X2 minus X1. So this is a 3 marks question is there. So therefore, slope of line joining 2 points P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 is given by m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And for a particular line, if you take a line throughout this, wherever you find the slope, that slope is always constant. That is, for a particular line, slope is always constant. If it is 3, so throughout the line, the slope of that line is equal to 3. If it is -1, the slope of that throughout the line is equal to -1. So therefore, remember that slope of the line is always constant. So now let us solve some problem concerned to this. Find the slope of a line joining the points P 3, 4, Q 10, 8. So to find the slope of the line joining the 2 points 3, 4 and 10, 8. Now x1, y1 equal to 3, 4. x2, y2 equal to 10, 8. So 2 points are given here. Therefore, slope m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. 8 minus 4 divided by 10 minus 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. 10 minus 3 is 7.